smoking, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Think I love you every day. I'm dancing you, my money, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. It ain't making my day. I feel it for you every day. When you call, put it back on replay. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. Make a psycho, make a traffic psycho. Baby, if you nice, you go drive me psycho. Baby, if you treat you, don't make me mad.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Polish CEO. I am back with another video. So what's up with it? So I'm trying to get y'all propped up so I can go and show y'all my outfit because I gotta get on at the door. I'm getting ready to go to a dinner date with my sisters. Got on black again today, child. Yeah, but bodysuit this time with the back out. Oh, my earring out. With the back out, I have on these shoes right here. I decided to do this just for a pop of color. I'm super duper starving. Of course, running late as usual, trying to make the reservation. So glad I didn't have to do anything to my hair, which is kind of what I've been doing all day, which you can go see on the last video. But let's get out of here because I gotta go.
And I just spent 350 on a neck piece. Yeah. Brothers with the East St. Laurent. Duffy be killing when we first met. Was nothing like that. To be honest, I don't care about your opinions. What a chick.
I just double up. You know that I ain't gon' fuck the buggy up.
Hey y'all, I've never seen y'all before. What's that thing y'all got me? Wow. My eyes blind. Uh-oh. Sorry. I gotta take it down for Mama. Yeah. Mama, why is my eyes red?
Let me see. Hey y'all. So today is the next day and we are dressed and headed to the pool. So me and my baby finna go to the pool. I'm basically finna take him to the pool. But first I gotta make me a drink. So last night we enjoyed ourselves. I ended up going to like this other little spot afterwards after we left the restaurant. And I'm just loving my hair, y'all. I'm sorry I keep touching it or whatever. But yeah, girl. So actually me and my baby had planned to do a picnic today, but it's very, very hot outside. So I was like, you know what, instead of doing a picnic, we are just gonna go to the pool. And of course he was in agreement with that. So this is my little pool outfit for today. So I basically just got on these, hopefully y'all can see it because it's really dark in here because it's bright, if that makes sense. So let's turn on this light right here, and then we're gonna turn on my closet light too. So maybe you could probably see it a little bit better. But yeah, this is like my outfit of the day, my little Cinco de Mayo fit, because that's what it is. I just got on these slides because of course, like I said, we're going to the pool. And y'all, this two-piece I actually had brought, I got it from Amazon, which I'll link it down below. Baby, look, it got pockets, girl. It's got pockets, okay? But yeah, I had actually bought this for when I went to Miami or whatever, but I didn't end up wearing it. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna wear it to the pool today because why not? Like I said, I'm about to make me a pina colada. So let's go ahead and make this drink, and then we're gonna go ahead and go over to the pool because I'm not getting in. I just couldn't chance messing up my hair, baby, because it stayed intact, which I can't believe my baby hairs did, but the way that I did it, I could believe that it stayed intact. So look at this guy. Hey, Pootie. Say hey, Pootie. Pootie. Got your car? You ready to go to the pool? All right, so I'm about to make my drink, and then we're gonna go ahead and head out. Okay, let's get this drink made. I had to put it in my gold cup, y'all, because I forgot they said no glasses at the pool. So yeah, let's go. First of all, why you got me carrying everything? Full of stuff, full of stuff.
First of all, why you talk to me like that?
What?
Snake!
A snail. It might be a snake though.
Down there, bro.
Yeah. No splashing, please. Y'all, I caught me a little piece of the pool in the shed.
Mommy's big scary cat.
He said it because I don't want to get splashed. I don't want to get wet. But I caught me a big little shade spot in the pool when I got my feet in here. Hopefully I don't mess up my toes, but hey, I can redo it. Hey y'all, so we back from the pool and my baby's cousins are here. I'm about to eat, baby, because I made me a vegan Arby's roast beef and some potato wedges with some cheese. Oh my god, so good. I'm gonna take them to the park. This is so good.
Where do you put it? You gotta do this. Look, you can do it. Look, watch me. Watch me. Move back, y'all.
so today is the next day and I haven't really done much today. I did just leave the hospital. One of my nephews actually got shot last night, which is so crazy to me, y'all. And I just left from up there seeing them, and then we went to the grocery store to get groceries, and I'm actually about to cook some black bean burgers and potato wedges. So I'm trying to hurry up and get that cooked because we hungry. Hey y'all, Grand Rising. I'm standing out here drinking some hot water, y'all. It's literally just water in there, no tea or anything. But kind of enjoying the breeze out here. Enjoying my little cup of hot water, y'all. I actually read, and I saw it on TikTok. But yeah, I saw that it's so many benefits for drinking hot water, especially for like digestion. I don't have any digestion issues, but weight loss, different things or different benefits that you have with drinking hot water in the AM. So that's what I'm out here doing. I wish I had some lemon. I would have added some lemon to it. But yeah, I'm just sitting out here. Oh, it's a nice little breeze out here as well. I might end up doing some yoga because I haven't done yoga in a long time, which is crazy, y'all, because I was keeping up with doing it every day. Child, as you can see, I took my lashes off, or y'all may have saw it yesterday. Then my little baby hairs. Ooh, y'all see that? Baby, it's about to be that time of the month. Anywho, my sideburns then came up and everything. But yeah, I did tie my hair down last night. But yeah, child, I took them lashes off and I put some remover on my eyes because they were not secure and they weren't on good. I think I'm just gonna redo them maybe later today. I'm not gonna eat anything for breakfast. I'm gonna drink this little hot water until lunch. I may drink another cup till around lunchtime, like 12, maybe 1-ish. Sorry if y'all can't hear me, it's the airplane flying over. But yeah, y'all, I hope everybody's having a great day because it's enjoying the weather right now. But yeah, we might do some yoga later. I don't know. So y'all, I just got done eating lunch and I ate a burger, a black bean burger that I made last night. And baby, look. I'm so excited to try this because I think it's gonna be super good. So this is the same brand of ice cream that I had tried on Insta. And so I'm super excited to try it. And then as soon as I dig in, I get them cookie dough chunks. You know, bluebell cookie dough ice cream, when it's like this, you have to find the little chunks. It looks plentiful, but it's really good. Yeah, I also got butter pecan. And I just realized that this one is actually sugar free, but I still feel like it's gonna be good, you know what I'm saying? So, oh, it's so cold. Okay. Zuz ice cream. Ooh. This looks like vanilla. Let's see, let's see. This one's hard. Harder than the other one. Ooh, I might need the milk. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Definitely still good. Hey y'all. So I haven't done much today. I'm now about to go to the store because I am about to get some cream cheese and stuff because I'm about to make these are strawberry cheesecake things that I don't know if y'all remember, but they like these little cheesecake bars that they used to sell. I want to say they was like, I don't even remember what brand it was. Excuse my hair though. I ain't even brush it up, comb it up, none of that. Do my baby hairs again, baby, just whatever. But yeah, so anyway, they like these little cheesecake bar things, but I want to make some vegan. So I'm getting ready to go to the store and get all the stuff that I need. I really don't need much, just like some cream cheese, lemon, and I want to say it's like What else do I need? I got a whole little list right here on my phone that I have written down of stuff that I need to get. Just the rest of the ingredients I already got or whatever. Y'all probably have already saw it on my cooking YouTube channel or like social media or whatever. So yeah, quick rundown of what I need to get from Publix is gonna be some strawberries. I do have some strawberries left over in there, like from the other day, but I do want to get some more. So I'm gonna get some strawberries, lemon, probably like 2 or 3 lemons, some cream cheese, and the cookies, and also some butter because I did run out of butter today. But yeah, let's get going to the store. Baby, it's hot out these doors, so you know what I mean? Let's go.